Looking for the best chainsaw sharpener to maintain a razor-sharp edge and boost your cutting efficiency? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing chainsaw sharpeners of the year, considering sharpening accuracy, durability, features, and real-life performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Neotech Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. The Neotech Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit is a newer entrant in the market, but it has quickly gained attention for its efficiency and ease of use. Earning a strong reputation with positive reviews, this model is designed to simplify the sharpening process while delivering excellent results. With a high-speed motor and titanium-plated diamond wheels, it sharpens chains up to 70% faster than traditional methods, significantly reducing downtime and boosting productivity. What makes this sharpener especially appealing is its on-saw design. Unlike many other models, it allows you to sharpen the chain without removing it, which saves time and effort. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who need to maintain their chainsaws in the field, as it ensures quick and convenient sharpening without requiring a workshop setup. Precision is another highlight of the Neotech sharpener. With adjustable speed and an angle attachment, it allows users to achieve professional-level sharpness while preventing mistakes that could damage the chain. This makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced chainsaw owners. The tool restores even worn-out chains to like new condition. Number 4. Conkel Electric Chainsaw Sharpener. The Conkel Electric Chainsaw Sharpener is a professional-grade tool built for users who need power, precision, and durability in one package. Unlike many handheld models, this sharpener is designed to be mounted on a stable surface, which provides increased accuracy and safety during sharpening. Powered by a 250-watt motor that operates at 8,400 revolutions per minute, it is capable of sharpening chains rapidly and effectively, even after heavy usage. One of the key strengths of this model is its adjustable grinding angle. This allows it to accommodate various chain types and pitches, from 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch, making it versatile for different chainsaw models. By fine-tuning the angle, users can achieve sharper and more consistent results, which greatly improves cutting performance. The heavy-duty build quality ensures long-lasting use, as it resists rust, wear, and other environmental factors that could compromise performance over time. The stable mountable base provides an added level of precision and safety. By minimizing movement during sharpening, it reduces errors and protects the chain from uneven filing. This makes it particularly suitable for professionals and serious chainsaw users who require reliable performance for frequent use. Despite its robust build, the Conkel sharpener remains relatively lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport or store when not in use. Number 3. Ossax Electric Chainsaw Sharpener. The Ossax Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit is a budget-friendly yet powerful solution for keeping chainsaw blades sharp and efficient. Despite its affordable price point, it delivers performance that rivals more expensive models, which makes it a great option for beginners and casual users. One of its most impressive features is the inclusion of 9 titanium-coated diamond files. These files are designed for durability and extended use, meaning you can sharpen multiple chains without worrying about frequent replacements. This sharpener focuses on making the sharpening process simple and accessible. It requires no chain removal, and setup involves only a few easy steps. An instructional video is included to guide you through the process, making it beginner-friendly even for someone who has never used an electric sharpener before. Once installed, the sharpener works quickly and efficiently, restoring even the dullest chains to their original sharpness in just minutes. Accuracy is another benefit of this model. With the included angle attachment, you can sharpen chains at precise angles and depths. Number 2. Oregon 12-volt Sure Sharp Handheld Electric Chainsaw Sharpener. The Oregon 12-volt Sure Sharp Handheld Electric Chainsaw Sharpener is an excellent choice for those who need both portability and precision in their sharpening tool. Known for its versatility, this sharpener allows you to restore chainsaw blades on the go, making it perfect for professionals who often work in remote areas. With its compact design and 12-volt power compatibility, it can be connected directly to a vehicle battery or used with a car adapter, ensuring you are never limited to workshop sharpening only. Durability and flexibility make this sharpener stand out. It comes with multiple sharpening stones of different sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of chains, including 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch low profile, 3/25 inch, and larger chain types. This adaptability is extremely useful if you own more than one chainsaw or if you need to sharpen chains for different tasks. With its easy-to-use angle adjustment guide, you can achieve precise results without much prior experience, which ensures safety and efficiency in your cutting work. Number 1. Esdu Electric Chainsaw Sharpener. When it comes to sharpening chains quickly and effectively, the Esdu electric chainsaw sharpener kit earns the top spot as our best pick. This tool is designed with high durability and user convenience in mind, making it a must-have for anyone who regularly uses a chainsaw. What sets it apart is its use of titanium-coated diamond wheels, which are among the hardest and most reliable sharpening materials available. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.